Ramzan, the holy Islamic month for fasting and prayers, is going to be starting amid this lockdown, nationwide lockdown. In Lucknow district, administration officials hosted a meeting with Muslim clerics over Ramzan celebrations. In Delhi's Jama Masjid area, markets remain shut. Meanwhile, in Karnataka, mosques have issued orders against the gatherings and also have asked people to stay indoors for prayers. Muslim community have been asked to stay indoors for Taraweeh prayers particularly. In fact, mosques across the country have appealed for people to stay at home despite the Ramzan month, to follow this entire month while being indoors. Here we have Shivajinagar MLA Rizwan Arshad from Bengaluru to tell us more about the community's preparedness of Ramzan during this lockdown. Right. Rizwan, here the Tablighi Jamaat incident has quite left a bitter taste of sorts among people across the country, and then comes reports of several attacks on health workers and police personnel in many pockets, many of those being Muslim-dominated areas. How would you react to that?
I feel that these are the stray incidents which are blown out of proportion for political gains of a few ideological organizations and political parties.
Rizwan, here we're looking at Ramzan, which calls for Taraweeh, where several people gathered for mass prayers at mosques, and now Ramzan begins. How are community leaders ensuring that they maintain social distancing as well?
The Amir-e-Shariat here, who is the head priest, has given a written direction to all the mosques that no mosque will conduct any Taraweeh. And he has also directed that no person, individual or a group, selective group, will offer any Taraweeh or any namaz in public places. You pray in your house with your families. Nobody is going to come out. This is an official direction. And the Karnataka State Waqf Board has also certified the directions and circulated across the mosque. There is no Friday prayer. There is no regular namaz. There is no Taraweeh namaz. When thousands of mosques are locked out, when crores and crores of Muslims are cooperating and being part of this country, when this whole country is fighting this deadly disease, the Muslim community is part of it.
Absolutely. Now, if people do violate, you did mention that how a certain community is vilified, but if at all people do going forward violate, how do you think they must be punished?
There is police, there is a system. Those people who created ruckus in Padra and Pura, more than 150 people have been arrested, they have been booked, there will be a trial. Let the law take its own course. Those people who break the law should not be spared. This is our stand. We have been very clear that we will not tolerate anything which violates the rule of law. During this pandemic, we need to be very careful. We need to follow what the government says. At every step, we can't be irresponsible.
Right. Your appeal to now those who are observing this holy month of Ramzan with the lockdown, Rizwan.
Those who want to, go out are inviting trouble for themselves. They can contact this virus and take this home. The virus will not come to your home searching for you. You will go out and connect with that virus and bring it home. Please don't do. Let us pray at our homes.
Right, Rizwan, thank you very much for joining us with those details. On that note, it's a wrap on this bulletin. For further news and updates on coronavirus, do log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download the app for more details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.